and welcome back to the Finbuzz channel. This is your friend Shamil Sajjad. This is where you come for in-depth content on business and finance. Today we are going to talk about portfolio management services, the different types of portfolio management services available in the market. Before we move on to the video, please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Portfolio management service refers to the service provided by professional managers or fund houses to high net worth individuals to manage their funds. Absolute customization is possible in the case of portfolio management service, whereas it is not possible in the case of mutual funds. So, people with substantial amounts of money to invest will prefer portfolio management services over mutual funds as they can get customized services from the fund manager. Although portfolio management existed for a very long period of time, it was brought under regulations by Securities and Exchange Board of India in the year 1993. Cognito, introduced by Parag Parikh Financial Services, became the first official PMS in India. In discretionary PMS, the fund manager is given a mandate by the client to manage his funds according to the judgment of the fund manager. The client specifies his investment objective in clear terms through an objective statement, or the portfolio manager tries to discern the requirements of the client through questionnaires and other psychological mapping tools. As far as discretionary PMS is concerned, the fund manager can invest the money of the client only in marketable securities and cannot invest any money in unlisted securities. In non-discretionary PMS, the investment decisions and structuring of the portfolio are done by the fund manager in consultation with the client. The ongoing involvement of the client is made sure by the portfolio manager in order to arrive at decisions regarding the investments. The decisions taken in consultation with the client according to his requirements and market conditions is executed by the portfolio manager. In non-discretionary PMS, the portfolio manager can advise the client to invest up to a maximum of 25% of his investments in non-marketable or unlisted securities. In advisory PMS, the portfolio manager takes a limited role of advisor to the client. The decisions are taken solely by the client after consulting with the advisor, and the execution of the decisions also rests with the client.
The best performing portfolio management services in India are Motilal Oswal PMS, Ask PMS, Kotak PMS, ICICI Prudential PMS, and Birla Sun Life PMS.
As per the latest guidelines of SEBI, the minimum investment requirement in portfolio management services is 50 lakh rupees per client. That means if anybody has got an investment corpus of less than 50 lakhs, he cannot avail the services of a qualified portfolio manager. The fee charged by portfolio managers is 2% of the fund value in a financial year. He can also take a percentage of the profits as performance incentive subject to a maximum of 20%. SEBI has scrapped the upfront charges that portfolio managers used to charge their clients. Upfront charges don't exist anymore. That's all from me today. I hope this video was useful to you. Please put down your thoughts on investments and finance in the comment box below so that we can take up that for discussion. Till we meet next time, it's bye from me, and as you leave, please remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you, and you take care.